In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Oakland. We'll be using the Alameda County Superior Court website since that's where the online traffic payment process is handled. I'll walk you through the exact path shown here so you can follow along easily and get to the correct payment page without confusion. Start by going to the Alameda County Superior Court website. Once the home page loads, click on Home if needed to make sure you're starting from the main page. This helps if you landed on a different section of the site and want to follow the same navigation from the beginning. From the homepage, look for the option that says Pay Your Traffic Ticket and click it. This is one of the quickest ways to reach the online payment area. On the next page, click Pay Your Traffic Ticket again. The site may use very similar wording on multiple pages, so just keep selecting the traffic ticket payment option as it appears. If you don't immediately see the version of the page you're expecting, there's also another way to find the same section. You can use the top menu and click on Divisions. This is useful if you're browsing the site manually or if the home page layout looks slightly different on your device. After opening Divisions, select Traffic. That will take you to the traffic section of the court's website, where you can find services related to citations, payments, and case lookups. Once you're there, click Pay Your Traffic Ticket. On the next page, select Look Up or Pay Your Traffic Ticket. This is the page that lets you move forward with finding your citation and completing the payment online. As you go through the process, make sure you're entering your ticket details carefully so the correct citation appears. It's also a good idea to double check the amount due before submitting payment. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds since court websites can sometimes be a little slow. One helpful tip is to have your traffic ticket ready before you begin, so you can quickly reference any information the site asks for. If you're using a phone and something doesn't display properly, switching to a computer or tablet can make the process easier to manage. That's it. By following this path through the Alameda County Court website, you should be able to reach the online lookup and payment page for your Oakland traffic ticket and continue from there.